Love Esmeralda.
Hello guys, we have a new video today. Today we're gonna be a video of all the well. Let's open it, guys. Finally, I can open it. I think a pink bomb. It's a pink one with a blue. OMG. I'm getting started. OMG. Guys, here, my mom already helped me. That's why I can open it already. Oh, yeah. OMG, I opened it. Is it icing? Is it icy? Is it icy? Is it icy or what? Let me see. OMG. I can't even believe this. Oh, Caddy! She's so sparkly and I love her hair. She's with the cat I got. What is her name? Let me see who I got. Oh, here she is. What's her name? Drive Racer. This one is Drive Racer. And this one? Kitty. Oh. She is so cute. Let me open the other surprises. Oh, yeah. Is this soda? Let me see what I got. Oh, and here now, who is it? As all guessed. What? Is it more? Let me see, is it? This was the cover! OMG, Caddy and Racer. She's so feathery. I can't believe this. She is the superhero. I am so happy with that. If you enjoyed my video, subscribe to my channel. Just click my channel. Is this a party? OMGs? Okay. Cool. I am so happy. She is gonna live over here where the door is. Here she is. Caddy is over here. OMG, no, please. Oh, I love it. Donkey. I'm gonna call her Donkey.
Show me. Oh, so beautiful.
And this cat is the same here. OMG, I love my polka dot. And there in our hands, they're right over here.
Okay. Now you can say something.
Thank you for watching and make sure you click on my button where it's all well.